Our manufacturer double dragon fabric, with clear and flat patterns like a mirror, and stable dimensions like a rock. Excellent breathability, smooth airflow, uniform and stable. Moreover, it has the advantages of heat resistance, wear resistance, corrosion resistance, low energy consumption, long service life, and easy maintenance, which has won widespread praise in the market and deep trust from customers. The reason why Double Dragon can stand firm in the market is due to our cutting-edge production equipment, exquisite craftsmanship, rigorous management system, and rigorous quality inspection process. All of this is just to create a copper and iron wall of product quality, making every breathable cloth a benchmark in the industry.